LAZR, a leading global automotive technology company, announced a partnership with Mercedes-Benz to accelerate the development of future highly automated driving technologies for Mercedes passenger cars. The partnership represents a major commercial win for LAZR, and the company is leveraging its foundational technology as it continues to execute towards series production. This partnership is a landmark moment in the industry, demonstrating how substantially increased safety and autonomous driving functions on consumer vehicles are going from sci-fi to mainstream. Mercedes-Benz has always been a technological leader and first mover for the industry, with the brand synonymous with automotive innovation, safety, luxury, and quality. LAZR is the perfect addition to their existing roster of first-class cooperations with leading and cutting-edge tech companies. Mercedes-Benz achievement of SAE Level 3 already marked a huge milestone for automated driving, and they are absolutely convinced that partnerships will increase their level of ambition for what is possible in the future. Cooperation is an essential part of Mercedes-Benz strategy. Therefore, they are highly delighted to have Austin Russell and LAZR on board for their journey.